is the demo session on S4HANA. Today's session is demo session on S4HANA. So before that, let me introduce myself. I am Ravi. I'm having 19 plus years of experience in SAP. I worked in Capgemini Mumbai, AG Technologies Mumbai, and I am certified consultant. And coming to S4HANA, the first we'll discuss what are the advantages to SAP consultants if you have S4HANA knowledge. So first we concentrate on this. What are the advantages to SAP SD consultants if you also have S4HANA? Now first, newcomers, what are the advantages? If you have, along with SAP SD, if you also have S4HANA knowledge, what are the advantages to newcomers? Newcomers means you are trying to enter into SAP newly. Now, what advantage you will have if you have S4HANA knowledge also, along with SAP SD? Here, first one is easy to enter into SAP. It is very easy to enter into SAP. Very easy to enter into SAP with S4HANA knowledge. So for you, if you have SAP SD knowledge and if you also have S4HANA knowledge, then it will be very easy to enter into SAP. That is the main advantage to the students who will have S4HANA knowledge also. Along with SD, if you have S4HANA knowledge also, then it will be very easy to enter into SAP. So everyone mute your mics. Okay. Next, second one, you will get more calls. If you show S4HANA also in resume, you will get more calls. Only SAP SD, if you are getting in a week, if you are getting 4 or 5 calls, here you will get double. You will get more calls, more interview calls. If you show S4HANA also, along with SAP SD, you will get more interview calls. So this is the second advantage. And so if you show S4HANA knowledge in the interview, they will concentrate on S4HANA. You will have limited interview questions, which we discussed during the course. Limited interview questions. So you'll have limited interview questions and their concentration will be only on that. Limited interview questions. So if you show S4HANA knowledge, their concentration will be on S4HANA. Their concentration will be on S4HANA. And with that, what is the advantage? Your questions will be limited. Interview questions will be limited. Interview questions will be limited, which we discussed during the course, the interview questions. Very limited interview questions. You will have some 60 to 70 questions, interview questions on S4HANA. So the interview, the total interview will be concentrated on that limited questions. Okay. So limited interview will be on concentrated on S4HANA. with limited interview questions. So this is the third advantage to the newcomers. Interview will be concentrated on S4HANA with limited interview questions. Next, easy to get into project. Now after joining, it is very easy for you to get into project if you have S4HANA. Very easy to get into project. Easy to get into project. This is the fourth advantage. And the fifth advantage is, see, after this course, you can do the projects. See, nowadays you will have migration projects. Nowadays, you will find more migration projects. Migration means, what is migration? We'll see next about the detailed migration project. So migration means simple, in simple words, converting the client from ECC to S4HANA. Converting the client from ECC to S4HANA. So you'll have more of migration projects nowadays. Now you will get that project, migration project. And after completion of this course, you can do migration projects confidently, because here we do everything. We have server setup also here. 100% what we do in real time, the total 100% we do here with practical. With you can practice everything. And here we'll have server setup. We have ECC server. Uh, we do first configurations in ECC server, what we do exactly. Then we have basis team here, and we have ABAP team. They do technical migration in the back end. Then same server, same system, we convert to S4HANA. You can see all your data in S4HANA. Everything we do, 100%. How we do in real time, everything we will discuss here. Everything we will discuss here. And you will have separate class with basis consultant during this course. We'll have one session with a basis. They will explain how they do technical migration. So everything we do here, we'll get into that migration steps. So what I mean to say is, here we'll have live experience of migration project. In this course, we'll have everyone will have live experience, hands-on experience of migration project. And this is available only here in Propel, the live experience of migration project. Because here we have a separate team of basis and ABAP. We have total team, means whatever required for technical migration. So everything we do hands-on experience. You can have that live hands-on experience here, migration project. So with this knowledge, same we have to do in real time. So it will be very easy for you to handle the projects in real time, the migration projects. Because nowadays you'll find more migration projects. If you show S4HANA experience, S4HANA knowledge, then you will get chance for migration project. And if you get chance in migration project, you can do confidently the total project, because you already have hands-on live experience during the course. So that is also the advantage. So you can do migration project confidently after this course. You can do the migration projects confident. So the newcomers, Means the people who are trying to enter into SAP, these are the advantages. If you have S/4HANA knowledge. So once again, what is the first advantage? Very easy to enter into SAP with S/4HANA knowledge. It is very easy to enter into SAP with S/4HANA knowledge, and you will get more interview calls if you show S/4HANA in your resume. And interview will be concentrated mainly on S/4HANA with limited interview questions. Easy to get into projects after interview, after selection. It is very easy to get into the projects because nowadays you will have more migration projects. So if you have S/4HANA knowledge, you will be kept into the migration projects. And after this course, you can do migration projects confidently in real time. You can do migration project confidently in real time. So this is for newcomers. Now here in this demo session, uh, we have already SD consultants who are working in SD consultants. Now, what is the advantage to the SD consultants who are already working as SD consultants? In this session, we also have the students who are already working as SD consultants. SD consultants means already working. So, working SD consultants. Now, what is the advantage with this course? As for HANA course. Now you are already working as SD consultants. Now if you have S/4HANA, as you know the advantages, I just want to mention that, but I hope you already know the advantage uh, of S/4HANA. Now one is, as I already mentioned here, easy to get into migration projects. As you know, because you're already working, as you know, the coming projects will be migration projects. They'll ask, do you have S/4HANA knowledge? Or when you are shifting to other company, already working as SD consultants, now you want to shift to other company, you know that they'll ask, do you have S/4HANA exposure or do you have S/4HANA knowledge? So if you have S/4HANA knowledge, then it is easy for you to shift to other company, because already I think you experience the people who are already working as SD consultants, and you'll have more projects on migration ECC to S/4HANA. So if you have S/4HANA knowledge or exposure, then you will be into that project. You will be taken into that project, and package wise also, if you show S/4HANA exposure, you will get more packages when you shift to other companies. So nowadays, projects, more projects, you will find migration. All the existing ECC clients, they are now converting to S/4HANA. So you'll find more on this. If you have already S/4HANA exposure, if you keep S/4HANA exposure, then you will be taken into projects, migration projects. After once, if you do one project, that's it. Next, future, you'll find all these migration projects only. So package wise, one is package, second one is you will be taken into migration projects. You will get exposure on migration projects. And if you are planning to shift to other companies, then S/4HANA is required, as you know. Okay. So I just want to inform you what advantages you will have if you have S/4HANA. for newcomers, and package also for newcomers. You can expect more package also. You can take that. Both the cases package, more package than normal SD. Okay. So working consultants, if you are shifting to other companies, you should have S4HANA. And nowadays, more projects will be on migration, conversion projects or migration projects. So you should have knowledge on S4HANA, then you will be taken into that project and easy to shift to other companies. Okay. Now, here what we discuss in this course. So in this course, we'll discuss SD delta changes, SD delta changes in SD delta changes in S4 HANA. SD delta changes means we discuss everything. What are the changes happened with SD to S4 HANA? SD delta changes, table changes, T code changes, field changes, new tables, which tables are eliminated. All those we'll discuss here. SD delta changes in S4 HANA. Next, business partner. We discuss business partner. Here, customers and vendors is not there in S4 HANA. Now that has been converted to BP. We'll discuss BP, business partner, and we discuss credit management, changes, credit management changes. So we know credit management means in SD we have credit management concept, but in S4HANA there are some changes. In S4HANA there are some changes in credit management. We'll discuss the credit management here in S4HANA because the concept has been changed. Credit management. Next, BRF output. We know output in we'll have output in SD, output management. See one, see the people who are listening. Credit management and output. Uh, the morning batch will complete this week. Credit management and output we complete this week. Okay. So credit management output we complete this week. Morning batch people. Okay. So credit management and BRF output. So in S4HANA, the output concept is changed. It is BRF. BRF output we call. Next, so output also we discuss in Esperana because there are changes, BRF output. Next, settlement management. See here, Sai Kumar, without SD and Rajshekhar Rao also, two people. Without SD, you cannot do Esperana. Without SD, Sai Kumar and Rajshekhar Rao. If you don't have SD knowledge, without that you cannot do Esperana. Because in Esperana course we don't discuss SD again. We discuss only the listed concepts. We don't discuss total SD here. So this course is the changes in Esperana from SD. So you should have SD, then only you can do. Without SD knowledge, you cannot do Esperana. Sai Kumar and Rajshekhar Rao. Is it clear? So you should have SD. At least if you have SD up to pricing, you can do Esperana simultaneously. But without SD knowledge at all, you cannot do Esperana. Uh, some two people send message. Okay. Rajshekhar Rao and Sai. See, we discuss issues also during migration when we do live experience migration. We will discuss the live issues, live problems which you will face. Everything we'll discuss, Nagaraj. Okay. Now, let me complete this. Settlement management, which is now rebate agreement in ACC, is now converted to settlement management. We'll discuss that also. Next, we know availability check that has been changed. Little bit changes in availability check. We call advanced ATP, advanced ATP. That also we discuss during this course. Next, LTMC, legacy, transfer, migration, cockpit. It's a tool to upload the data from legacy to S4HANA. So we will discuss on that legacy, transfer, migration, cockpit. We discuss on Fiori apps. So in S4HANA, we have these Fiori apps for user-friendly transactions. Fiori apps. We discuss on Fiori apps. We can do everything in Fiori. Okay. Now, these are the concepts which we discuss. Now we'll see migration project. These are the concepts. SD delta changes. SD delta changes in S4HANA. SD delta changes means we'll cover everything. We have many points in that. I just taken heading. SD delta changes in S4HANA. Then we discuss on business partner. Then credit management changes, BRF output, settlement management, advanced ATP, LTMC. It's a tool. Then we working on Fiori apps.
Sir, advanced ATP in the sense, ECC, which topic it is?
Availability check.
Okay,
ATP,
okay,
normal
okay,
availability
okay.
check we call ATP. ATP means available to promise. But here you will have advanced ATP. There is changes in normal ATP. Okay. So overtake these points.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, is that will be opportunities for the freshers if you learn S4 along with SD, sir?
Uh, See that pressure also, if you have along with SD, if you show S4HANA experience, definitely there will be a weightage if you show the knowledge on S4HANA.
Sir,
Sir,
LTMC
how
and
much
LSMW are the
training it
same.
is going to take?
LSMW is different and LTMC is different. We'll see that tool. It's a separate tool. It's a different tool. It is not similar to, means it will also help to upload the data. The result is same, but the tool is different.
Okay, sir, sure, sure.
Okay. Is it over?
Sir, what's the tenure?
Hello, sir.
8 weekends.
Hello, sir.
8 weekends. But in 4 weekends, you can show the S4HANA migration experience. In 4 weekends, we'll do that. We complete that migration related. You can update your resume with S4HANA migration experience in 4 weekends. No need to wait till 8 weekends. In 4 weekends, you can update your resume with S4HANA migration. I'll take one class also how to update your resume, how to show the projects or how to show the experience and related interview questions. In 4 weekends, we'll have one session. After that, you can update your resume with S4HANA
What is
migration.
the overall, so what is the overall course duration and only weekends we have a classes or weekdays also?
Only weekends, Saturday, Sunday. Only weekends, Saturday and Sunday. 8 weekends, 8 weekends. So after 4 weekends, we'll have one session. After that, you can update your resume. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Sir, can you make
Yes.
the classes in evening hours?
No, only weekends.
So, sir, on Saturday also we have offers.
So that is what we'll discuss and we'll confirm Saturday timing. How the timing will be on Saturday and
From
Yeah,
Sunday.
7
better
to
after
9.
5:30 it is always better, even on Saturday. After 5:30, after
Please.
completion of office is
Uh,
better.
okay. Give it to us. We'll decide the
Sir,
timing.
from 6:30 or 7 to 9 o'clock.
That is
Evening
what
hours.
we'll decide. We'll decide and we'll confirm.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, can we
Please
get
give it to
material
us.
for this course?
Yes. I'll give running notes like SD. Here also you will get running notes, and after the class you will get the notes also. Okay. Now,
Sir,
Sir,
One question I want to ask you. So actually, I'm currently working as a front user and I'm supporting to some of the teams in some of the plants. So I'm in ECC now. Can I go for S4 HANA or first I need to learn HD configurations and all?
so if you already have some experience on SD, then you can
I'm
do
having,
S4HANA. But without that SD, you cannot do S4HANA.
so I don't have knowledge in configurations in HD. So what is your solution, sir?
First, you have to learn SD, then S4HANA.
When do
Adding
you
to
start
that,
the classes
Sorry,
for HD? When from when the new batch is starting, sir? Again.
that madam will call you. I don't
Okay.
know exactly the date. She will inform you.
Right.
Okay, she will
sir, actually, I
inform you.
have PhD.
sir, every weekend, how many hours do you take every weekend? Like Saturday, Sunday?
See, demo is not completed. Can I complete this demo?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah, I have one more question, sir. I have one more question.
Saturday.
See, I learned SAP SD in 2017, and so I have a knowledge on only theoretical knowledge, not practical knowledge. I didn't work for any company. So what's your suggestion, sir? If I go for S4 and it will be work out for me, or do you want me to
You
learn SAP
completed
SD?
you completed SD course, huh?
Yes, sir, with you.
Uh,
I
uh,
completed it in 2017,
SD
I
course
guess.
you
But
completed, but there is a
yes,
gap
sir.
after that.
Yes, sir. It's almost nearly 4 to 5 years of gap.
No, then that means did you remember the subject? I think no.
Uh,
Uh,
Not exactly, but if you can, to go for the, 1 month or so 1.5 months, so definitely I can, I can come on the pot, I guess.
that you call to madam for that SD batches, but that is a separate course. Don't this is for a nice separate course and that is separate course. You just call to madam and later.
Yeah. I have only theoretical knowledge. I didn't work for any, any real-time projects and all. So that is the only, concern I have.
Okay, you just call to madam after this
So, sir.
session. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, See, Saturday 3 to 3.5 hours, Sunday 3 to 3.5 hours is the timing. Saturday 3 hours, Sunday 3 hours. Like that, 8 weekends we have sessions, and after 4 weekends you can update the resume with migration project. Okay. Now, so here we have two types of projects in the course. We discussed two types of projects in S4HANA, mainly the migration project. So what is migration project? Tell me. What do you mean by migration project?
Sir, it is converting the client from ECC to S4 HANA.
Okay. So converting the existing clients from ECC to S4HANA. ECC is our regular enterprise central component, which is our present system, SAP present system, present application, we call ECC. We convert that to S4HANA, converting the clients from ECC to S4HANA. So this we call migration projects, and if you join in any company, you will find more of these migration projects. Shiva, mute yourself. Shiva.
sir, I have a doubt here. Can I ask
Uh,
now?
Please give me time so that we complete the demo session.
Okay.
And mute yourself. Okay. So converting the clients from ECC to S/4HANA. Converting the clients from ECC to S/4HANA. Converting the clients from ECC to S/4HANA. So that is migration projects. So here we have steps. First step is pre-migration activities. We do pre-migration configurations in ECC system. What is that configuration that we'll discuss in the course? But here we do pre-migration configurations in ECC system. Then so only SAP SD knowledge is enough to do S/4HANA course. Only knowledge, SAP SD knowledge is enough to do this course, S/4HANA course. Okay. Now second, so first pre-migration configurations, like I'll tell you what configurations we do when you convert ECC to S/4HANA. First, we have to do some configurations in ECC system. After that, second step, we convert all customers and vendors to BP. Vendors, people will take care. But customers, we have to convert all our customers to BP. We have to convert all customers and vendors to BP. We have a tool for that. But before conversion, we have to do some configurations in system. We have to do all the configurations in system. Then only system will allow to convert all customers and vendors to BP. So that will see result in system. Everyone, you can see result, hands-on experience. So everyone will do the configuration separately, every individual. You can do the configuration separately in your ECC system. Your means will give that setup. In that setup, everyone you can configure ECC system, pre-migration configurations in ECC system. And after that, you can see the result. You convert all your customers to BP. In classroom also, we'll see the result, everything. And same, you have to practice and see the result on your own. Convert all your customers to BP. So that is the activity. Next, after that, third step, technical migration. And this will be done by Basis and ABAP. Technical migration. We have a team here. They will do technical migration to the your system, ECC. Same system. They do technical migration. After technical migration, you will have S/4HANA system. The same system will be converted to S/4HANA system. Same system will be converted to S/4HANA system. Now here you do post step, post migration configurations in which system? S/4HANA system. So at this point of time, see present, you will have some confusion like ECC system, S/4HANA system, conversion, technical migration. But when we enter into subject, we'll see that all in system. Okay. So post migration configurations, we have to do some configurations in S/4HANA system. Then fifth step, post-migration activities, like that. So take this. This is the basic knowledge on migration project. Take this. Migration, first one, migration project, converting the clients from ECC to S4HANA. Converting the clients from ECC to S4HANA. Converting the clients from ECC to S4HANA. Now here we have some basic, this is basic idea. Pre-migration configurations in ECC system. Then after configurations, pre-migration configurations, convert all customers and vendors to BP. Convert all customers and vendors to BP. Convert all customers and vendors to BP. Then technical migration. Then technical migration. So technical migration will be done by basis and ABAP. Then fourth step, post-migration configurations in S4HANA system. Post-migration configurations in S4HANA system. Then fifth step, post-migration activities. What are the configurations? What are the activities? So all those will discuss during the course. This is a basic idea on migration project. But here we have different server setup. We have ECC server, and in ECC server we do all pre-migration configurations, and we convert all customers and vendors to BP. After that, basis and ABAP, they do technical migration for ECC server, and they will convert your ECC server to S4HANA server. Then once you receive S4HANA server, you can check all your data. The data will be converted in S4HANA. Now after that, you do post-migration configurations. You do post-migration configurations, and we do post-migration activities. So that is the end of migration project. So here we do hands-on everything. Live experience you will have here, and not only live, not only classroom, you can have hands-on experience of all these activities. So same, exactly same, you have to do it in real time. There's no difference at all. Exactly same, you have to do it in real time. The migration project. So same. And the errors also. What errors you will get real time, here also will get that. So you will have experience on that errors also. So it is easy for you to resolve those errors during migration project. So everything same we do here. Okay. Next. So this is about migration project. Next. Second project is, so here first 4 weeks we'll have migration projects. Next 4 weeks we'll have greenfield implementation. Greenfield implementation means what?
Sir, it is a new implementation in SAP S4 HANA.
Live project, sir. I mean, You mean to say?
New
Whoever
implementation.
doesn't have any
Starting
New
from scratch,
implementation
they
in
will
S4HANA.
implement.
any application to record day-to-day transactions, they will call as greenfield implementation.
Okay. So new implementation in S4HANA. New implementation in S4HANA. So it's a new implementation in S4HANA. It's a new implementation in S4HANA. So client who is using legacy system, legacy means non-SAP. The client who is using legacy system. Legacy means what? Non-SAP. Legacy means non-SAP. It can be anything. Now client wants to implement SAP directly in S4HANA. So that we call greenfield implementation. New implementation in S4HANA. Make a note. Bracket. New implementation in S4HANA. New implementation in S4HANA. New implementation in S4HANA. Okay. So here, next 4 weeks, we'll discuss about this new implementation in S4HANA. But here, we will not discuss again enterprise structure, account groups, partner determination, document types, item categories, schedule line categories, delivery types, billing types, pricing, free goods. All these will not discuss because all those are same. So what we discuss here is the changes. In greenfield implementation, we'll discuss the changes in S4HANA. So here first we'll discuss about BP configurations. BP is a new concept which we don't know. In present ECC we have customer master, but here you have BP. So related configurations we'll discuss. BP configurations. Next, credit management configurations, because we have some changes in credit management. Credit management configurations. Credit management configurations.
S4HANA, there is
Credit management configuration. Then settlement management configurations. Settlement management configurations, which in present it is rebate. So that concept has been changed in S4HANA. Settlement management configurations. Then BRF output, BRF output, BRF output, BRF output, advanced ATP, advanced ATP, because it is implementation, we discuss LTMC because we upload the data. Then finally, we experience the Fiori apps. Okay. So this is the basic idea of two projects, migration projects, and greenfield implementation. In greenfield implementation, we'll have one and we'll set up one enterprise structure. Means I'll not give the notes, but we'll define one enterprise structure. We will define account groups, partner determination, VP configurations. All those will do that. But I'll give notes only for the changes. Suppose when I am doing partner determination, I will not give the notes because partner determination in ACC, that is it. So we define document types, item categories, schedule line categories, delivery types, billing types, but we don't discuss the controls inside. We will have simple pricing procedure. We'll define pricing procedure. All those we do what is required for configurations. Same you can practice in system. Okay. That basic idea, what we need to do in greenfield implementation, that idea I'll give you. You have to do it in system. For that,
Sir, hello.
yes.
Sir, what is that fifth point, advanced ATP?
There's in ACC we have normal ATP, but there are some changes in advanced normal ATP in S4HANA that we call advanced ATP. It's availability concept.
Okay.
Some changes happened in S4HANA, so that we name it as advanced ATP.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Now, is it over? Take these points in migration project and here.
Sir, is this S4 HANA is simplified from ECC? I mean, it is optimized.
Yes, yes.
I mean, at what percentage level it has been optimized? Some 10% or 20%?
We cannot say exactly, but there is changes happen with SD to S4. So normal SD concepts means pricing. All these will be as it is, but whatever I mentioned, so we have changes in that. Whatever I mentioned.
Okay.
So those changes happen.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, can you explain the data structure of S4HANA?
Yes, yes. We'll see. This is only demo session. We'll have all those.
Okay,
So in demo session, it may not be possible to explain everything. Just today's session, I want to concentrate what advantage consultant will have if you have S4HANA and what we discussed during the course. Okay. And here, the difference is we discuss everything in depth like SD, how we discuss each and every point. So here also we'll discuss in depth. And here we can have live hands-on experience on migration project. We have that different server setup here. You will have that server setup here. You can experience everything. So that is the difference you have here. In-depth subject and hands-on experience and a different server setup here. Okay. Now S4 HANA. So what is S4 HANA? Stands for what?
Suite for SAP. I mean, suite. It is a suite for adding a suite to SAP.
So S stands for simple or suite. 4 stands for
generation.
4th generation. S stands for simple or suite. 4 stands for 4th generation. And HANA stands for high performance analytical appliance. Take this. S for HANA. S stands for simple or suite. 4 stands for 4th generation. HANA stands for High Performance Analytical Appliance. Hi, HANA stands for High Performance Analytical Appliance. Next line. So HANA is SAP owned database. HANA is SAP owned database. HANA is SAP owned database. So what is HANA? What are the advantages of HANA? And what are the advantage? What are the disadvantages of third-party database? See, present we are using third-party database. Present we are using third-party database, but now SAP has its own database, that is HANA. So why SAP has introduced the HANA database? What is the reason behind that? And what advantages you have with that? And what problems we face with third-party database? So all those we'll discuss that in next session. And someone is asking, you can practice everything. That is what I'm saying. You can have live hands-on experience. You can practice total migration project in here during the course. We'll also discuss in class. Live means you can see the results, everything. Same you can also practice in your system. Means which we provide separate server setup. In that servers you can practice. Greenfield as well as migration, everything you can see the result and so on. Okay. So now, so if you see present our which you practice SD, our ECC, the database will be different. But now in S4HANA, you will have different HANA database. Go to system and status. Here you can see here what is the database here.
Oracle, sir.
Oracle. But present in S4HANA we have our own database, HANA database, that we'll see in system when we start the course. I'll show you that. Okay. So remaining, this is demonstration, and we'll discuss HANA about database. Technical also we'll discuss next class. But that is technical pure. HANA, what is the advantage of HANA database? What are the disadvantages of third-party database? So all those we'll discuss next class, next session, next weekend. And we'll start the subject also, migration projects. Next week, we'll discuss the technical part of database related. We'll discuss that in next week. And after that, we'll see detailed information on delta changes, and migration, what steps we do, all those we'll discuss next week. And next week we'll start migration project.
So only one question, like you said that
Hi, sir.
you said that
Hi, sir,
with the
one more
real
thing,
time basis also. Hello? Can I complete,
Yes.
please? Like you said, the real time basis, we will be getting in the entire course as a migration. So we can mention in the CV. So is
Yes.
it not changes on real time for like server would be same like on real time basis also maybe in real time we have development server here we have a demo server. So there is a difference between server in real time or the same thing we are learning.
See, servers will differ, but process is same.
So but interface would be like similar for both the
Yeah,
servers.
everything similar.
Sir,
There is no difference at all. Real time and here, what we discussed during the course migration and what you do in real time. The sandbox, the server setup may be different. The landscape will be different. But what we do as a consultant, the configurations, everything is same. So landscape will differ. You may have development server, quality server, production server. Landscape will be different, but the process will be same. Everything same, 100%. Yes.
Hello, sir.
do you have this one S4 on offline server, sir? Only it's online?
Online, only online.
Only online. Okay. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, currently that ECC6 we have test server operating quality server and live server, right? So when we go to the real time HANA migration, so start with the test server, right? Because
Yes.
we cannot directly go by live server. So we see that test server migration. Then
That will here during this. We'll discuss that next week. You will get this scenario next week. What is your landscape? How you do that and all. So that process will come next week.
okay, sir. Sir, another question is currently my company using that ECC6 EHP7. So is it any steps directly move to S4 HANA, or we need to move to EHP8, then only move to S4 HANA?
Yeah.
Is it any
Yeah.
steps
First,
there?
but yeah. There is some prerequisite regarding EHP. EHP 8. First they move to EHP 8. Then but that will be done by basis. You don't need to involve in that. So basis will first move it to upgrade it to EHP 8. Then migration project will start.
Sir, before entering into this course, we should total create enterprise structure in S/4HANA.
Yes. That I'll guide you how to practice and all.
Okay, sir.
Whom do we contact for the server access for S4 HANA? Like same Babu previously.
No. You call to Madam.
Okay.
Sir, actually, I'm using the offline server of SD, sir. If we take H4HANA, is that going to be helpful, sir?
No.
This is
Here in S4HANA, total you will get different servers, online servers. You have to practice only on that.
in further, is there any link between like offline SD server and S4HANA server, sir?
So you will get SD server also online. So you have to do the configurations in the new server. SD also you will get, but that is a different new server. So don't link your offline server with that. Will not happen. Here you will get SD server first. SD server means ECC server. You have to practice on that first. Then we convert to S4HANA. I'll guide you everything when we start that one.
Okay.
Hello, sir. Yeah, hello, sir. Mohammed Moin here.
Sir, hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah, Mohammed Moin here. This is, sir. This is regarding the timing. See, someone is said in the
Sir,
meeting, they want to be set up the classes at evening time.
That we
No,
will
no, just
decide.
no. What I mean
That's
to say
okay.
that, please, can we segregate the classes in, if somebody interested in the evening class, so they might be in the evening class. Somebody interested in the morning class, so put them in the morning class. So is it possible? Please.
Let us see. Please, that we will decide and we'll inform you. Then we can discuss on that timings.
So for morning batch, we are.
hello, sir.
Sir, from
Hello.
morning batch, we are not completed credit management and availability check. Can
That
we
is what
learn
next
this?
week. Next week, coming week, we complete credit management and output. Coming
Sir,
week.
this is cloud based on premises, sir, as for HANA.
Then we are discussing availability check. Coming today also you will have class. So coming week we'll discuss credit management. Credit management and output will be completed in the coming days, 5-6 days.
Is it going to be only 8 weeks or it would be extend more than 8 weeks?
First 4 weeks we do only migration project. In that you will not get credit management and all. So there is no issue. But anyway,
Sir, it is
next
sure that
one week you come.
sir, it is sure that first 4 weekends we can update resume.
After 4 weekends, after
Yes, yes.
4 weekends, you can update it. I'll take the
So,
class on that.
so it
Sir,
is a
only
cloud.
in
Like
8 weeks, sir, it's going to be
like our
completed, sir.
batch is
Monthly,
sir
monthly.
not cover up to pricing, so we can enroll for the same. Like since you advise that up to pricing, if we have completed simultaneously,
Yes,
we can do S for HANA. So
yes, yes.
we haven't complete yet, sir.
Sir,
No,
in
that's fine.
freshers, we can
You
also
have knowledge
show
on
the
SD,
experience of HANA, sir.
the process. You can do that.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Sir, as a
Yes,
fresher, we can show the S4 HANA also, sir.
Nowadays, all are
yes,
moved to
yes.
cloud,
You
sir.
can show as for
But what
knowledge
is,
in fresher resume also. That will be added advantage.
sir, nowadays, all are moved to cloud-based platforms. What is the use of S4 HANA,
Not
sir?
all.
No, not, sir. HANA database.
See, cloud on premise means the clients will maintain the servers. Cloud means you have uh, AMS, you have SAP also. So cloud means server will be maintained by third party person. That is the difference. Remaining everything is normal only. Only
SAP has
servers. If client is
So, sir,
maintained servers, that is on premise. Yes.
sir, S4 HANA, right? They have any versions? You see, normally that
Yes, yes.
ECC 6
Next
we
week.
have EHP
Next week.
package.
Yes. Next week we'll see that versions also. Present is 2021 version. Previous to that 2020. Previous to that 1909. Like that. That I'll give the notes next week. Versions
So
will
that
be.
Sir, this
so
class
that
will be only for the 8 weeks, or is going to be extended or more than 8 weeks?
8 weeks. 8 weeks.
Sir, after 4 weeks, you can explain what type of interview questions.
Arrange, sir.
Yes, yes. I will have session. I'll explain how to mention how to uh, prepare the resume related to S4HANA and what are the interview questions. All these we'll discuss.
Hello,
Yes,
sir. Hello,
yes,
sir. I'm your ex-student, and I'm currently working as SD consultant. Sir, will you cover the sir? There are some like basic changes in field level in customer master, and 16 fields of pricing procedure are changed. It has become 17 fields. So
yes, yes,
likewise, there is some new fields also has been added in customer
yes.
master. Will
That
you cover
everything.
those things, sir?
Yes, yes. That everything I mentioned here, but this is general. SD
Okay.
delta changes means everything we will discuss.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Even minute level also will discuss. I just mentioned here SD delta changes and every minute change also we will discuss.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Mhm.
Yes.
Sir,
Structure, sir.
one class is how much duration? Means how much take time one class?
Sorry.
From next week, one class is how much duration? Means 3 hours, 4 hours that week.
3 hours. 3 hours. Saturday 3 hours.
Okay.
Sunday 3 hours.
Okay, sir. Means I'm just asking. One break or something in that like time, or we will
Yes. Yes.
continue
We'll have
3 hours.
break in between.
Okay. Okay,
We'll
sir.
have break. We'll have breaks because not one stretch 3 hours. We'll have break.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Speak, sir.
Sorry.
Course speak.
That you call to madam. She will give
Okay.
information. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Next week we'll continue this. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thank you so
sir.
much, sir.
That's all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.